Hello and welcome to your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Friday, February 12th. My name's Alex here from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. A lot to talk about today as we are going to continue to see an active pattern continuing at least through the next week. Also, some very cold wind chills have developed this morning along the Montana border, and we'll show you those. Snow for all on Saturday, with some of the snow showers lingering into Sunday for many. After a brief break Sunday night, we'll see another round of snow likely for Monday. And then not written here, we'll see some snow showers in the higher terrain areas continuing for Tuesday and Wednesday, with another round of light snow for all areas on Thursday. And after that, the forecast confidence decreases quite a bit. Your satellite picture for this morning depicts the area of low pressure digging southward through the Great Basin. And this area of low pressure has provided southern and far eastern Idaho with some rain and snow over the last few hours. Just a bit of a break out over the eastern Pacific, but if you go just a little bit farther to the west, look at all of the high moisture in place here. Very rich, moisture-rich air will be moving towards us, and this is the start of our Saturday system here just offshore. So a lot to look at here on our weather impact summary. We'll break it down just a bit here for you. We'll see some morning snow across the Snake River Plain in eastern Magic Valley with some wind developing this afternoon. Snow showers and winds continue through the day across the South Hills. Snow will be heaviest through the day, though, across the north and southeast highlands. We have some extremely cold wind chills across the northeast highlands. Those will be there through tomorrow. The snow showers will be lightest across the Lost River and Wood River area, with persistent snow through the day in the Sawtooth area and snow showers on and off in the Lemhi area. See snow for all of us on Saturday. We'll still continue to see the wind up near the Montana border and the very cold temperatures. And then for Sunday, the heaviest snow will persist mostly over the South Hills and the southeast and northeast highlands, with lighter snow showers outside of those areas continuing through most of the day Sunday. Like I mentioned, a break for most of us Sunday night, and then we'll see another round of snow moving on Monday during the morning over the Sawtooth area, maybe the Wood River area as well, but by Monday afternoon, snow should have developed for all of the remainder of central and eastern Idaho. Getting into Tuesday, the snow showers will be persistent across mostly higher terrain areas, and we are expecting some stronger winds to develop across the Snake Plain in eastern Magic Valley. And with snow likely on the ground there, by then we could see potentially some blowing and drifting issues. We will begin to bring in some warmer temperatures, though, for Tuesday, which could help with that. We've updated our warnings and advisories. They look like this now. We have the winter storm warnings continuing along the Wyoming border and also for the Idaho portion of the Wasatch. With winter weather advisories for all but essentially the Arco Desert, Wood River Valley, and the Big and Lost River areas, as snow will be lighter for those areas. And these watches, warnings, and advisories, these continue into Saturday evening. We mentioned the wind chills. These are dangerous wind chills out there. These wind chills were from 4 a.m. Friday morning, and you can see the wind chills are below 40 below. So Henry's Lake here in the Island Park area, the wind chill at 4 a.m. was 46 below zero. And wind chills basically from Ashton north to the Montana border are colder than minus 20, and from DuBois north to the Montana border, wind chills are colder than minus 30. And these wind chills will remain very cold through the day. They will improve somewhat today, but they will stay most likely at least below zero through Saturday. And we actually have some wind gusts locally here at China Point along Interstate 15, south of Moneta Pass. We have some winds this morning gusting around 60 miles per hour. So some blowing and drifting snow is there as well. So certainly some dangerous conditions in place here today over far northern portions of the state. Let's take a look at your forecast radar. It's jumped ahead here into Saturday, but we'll let that play through, and then we'll talk you through the expectations here starting with this morning. So you can see the snow here. That'll be moving off and out of the Snake Plain at least early this morning. But the snow will linger across these eastern highlands here through the day, linger up near Island Park, and linger over the central Idaho mountains through the day. And we could see a redevelopment here over the northern Snake Plain this evening before. It's hard to miss that. This widespread swath of snow develops late tonight and early Saturday morning. That'll overspread all of central and eastern Idaho and then begin to wind down during the afternoon hours, particularly the later afternoon hours. But snow will linger over higher terrain areas through Saturday night. And I'll step through it one more time here so you can see the expectations for late tonight and into Saturday morning. Here we go now by 4 a.m. with the snow overspreading the area. And it does shut off for most of the Snake River Plain in eastern Magic Valley by afternoon. But we could see some redevelopment here over the evening and maybe some lighter snow showers for much of the area on Sunday. Snowfall amount through midnight tonight looks like this. Most of this here across the I-15 and I-86 corridors will be early this morning, but we will see continued snow over these higher terrain areas here east of the interstate and between the Wyoming border. That snow will continue through the day. And then the snow here back north and west from a Stanley to Chalice line on north, that snow will continue through the day today. What about for Saturday? Well, a solid swath of, let's say, 2 to 4 inches of snow expected over the eastern Magic Valley, southern Snake River Plain. Everyone should see some snow from this, but the lightest amounts will be through the Arco Desert, north to Du Bois, and over the some of the central Idaho mountains areas here from Chalice to Mackey and from Salmon to Leadore. You'll be a little more shadowed in these valleys with this precipitation coming in from the west. And as we mentioned, snow showers lingering on Sunday, so some additional lighter accumulations here, particularly for the higher terrain areas along and east of a Burley to Rexburg line. Monday, we mentioned there's another system moving in for Monday, and the accumulations look like this for that system. So certainly lighter than the Saturday system, but nonetheless we'll be adding on some more snow across the area. Winds, well, those are the next issue. Now, they're going to be stronger than what is depicted here from the Montana border to Du Bois and from the Montana border to Ashton. The winds will be much stronger than this, but we will see a redevelopment of winds this afternoon across the eastern Magic Valley. Now, winds this morning are likely to stay out of the north and northeast from Idaho Falls to American Falls, but then switch back around to the west, particularly by late this afternoon and evening. And they'll be gusting in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range out of the west. And then they will turn back to the north overnight tonight, and we'll see a general north to northeast flow across the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley on Saturday. Except for areas along and south of 84 down here, the stronger west winds will likely continue. Winds overall across the board will be lighter for Sunday. And then for Monday night, the winds will increase once again out of the west, particularly for the southern half of the area. And those winds will continue into Tuesday, maybe even increasing. So any snow left on the ground down here could certainly blow around. High temperatures for today. Now we think they'll be much colder than this here from Du Bois to Montana, from Ashton to Montana. And we will see those temperatures warm up, though, down south in eastern Magic Valley. And temperatures for Saturday also have some potential still to be colder than this, but this is the current most likely scenario. Colder north, warmer south, possibly getting out to freezing here over the eastern Magic Valley. And for Sunday, we're expecting temperatures to be below freezing area wide, and then warm up just ever so slightly for Monday. And lows, they could be colder than this as well across the northern portion of the area. And same for Sunday morning, already going with lows expected to be below zero for much of the northern part of the area here. And with only very slight moderation by Monday morning. There will be a little more warming, though, across the eastern Magic Valley and South Hills. So to summarize, very active pattern through at least the next week. Wind chills are very cold, dangerously cold near the Montana border this morning. Those cold wind chills will last at least through Saturday evening. Snow for everybody Saturday. Some snow showers will linger, though, into Sunday, and particularly over the higher terrain areas for a Sunday night, with another round of snow for Monday. That concludes the briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, you can reach out to us at the phone number you see here. You can also drop us an email or visit us on Facebook or Twitter. Otherwise, please join us again Saturday for your Saturday briefing. Thanks.